Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, The Rideshare Hub. So today's video, we're talking about the GetUpside app. If you have been watching my channel lately, I've been telling people like crazy to download this app because I honestly think that every single person who owns a car should have this app. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description. If you use my code and link, you will get 15 cents off per gallon when you fill up gas, and it's cash back. So you're gonna pay the full price of the gas, and then you're gonna get money into your account, into your GetUpside account, and then you can either redeem that for gift cards, PayPal, or they will even cut you a physical check and mail it to you. I do PayPal, I just get it straight to my bank account. But you know, if you want $500 in Amazon gift cards, then by all means. But I just prefer it straight into my bank. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, let me just give you the full review. Again, if you own a car or if you drive a car, even if you don't drive a car, actually, you can use your friend's receipts if they don't have the app already. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm pretty sure you could use somebody else's gas receipts. I don't even think it really needs to be your own gas, because, well, maybe your name needs to be on it. Yeah, I don't know exactly how it works, but let's dive into it. We'll figure that part out. That's a minor detail. I'm pretty sure most of you guys watching this have a car. So here's the app here, GetUpside. It looks like a little arrow, circle, whatever. It might change by the time you're watching this, but if you use the link down below, it'll direct you to download the app. And I'm gonna try to hide my location so you can't see exactly where it is. So as you can see, I currently have in the top right, $20 to cash out. This is just from, you know, the people that I've referred filling up gas. So if you want to download this and then refer other people, I'm telling my friends, like, download the app, use my link, and then refer your friends to sign up too, because it's crazy, because every single time they fill up gas, you're gonna get 15 cents off per gallon too. So it's like, it's almost like crazy how good this is. And I don't know how long this will last, but so yeah, I usually tell my friends, download the app and then tell your friends, because everybody buys gas unless you drive an electric car. So you might as well, like, it's an easy sell if you're trying to tell your friends, hey, you know, do you buy gas? They're gonna be like, yeah. Be like, well, do you want discounts on your gas? They're gonna be like, yeah. Be like, okay, use this, and tell them to make sure you have them use your code too. I was telling a lot of people to do it, and I didn't give them my code, and now I kind of was like, I probably should have given my code. But here we go. So this is how it works. So let's just search up like Laguna Beach. I'm not in Laguna Beach, so you guys aren't gonna like stalk me or anything. But so it shows the full price of the gas, like the one that's crossed out. That's how much you will pay. So you're gonna pay, let's say you buy $10 or 10 gallons. Let's say you buy 15 gallons, right? You're filling up pretty much all the way. You're gonna pay 45 bucks, right? The $3. But the 868 on the bottom, or yeah, the 868, that's how much you're gonna get back into the app. So if you're doing 15 gallons, 15 times 8.68, I'm getting $130 back. So I spent, what, 45-ish? So I profited $85. The only reason it's high for me is because, I've referred a lot of people. But if you've only referred a couple of people, or if you referred nobody, again, this app is free, guys. You don't need to pay for this app. But I know there's a referral system, so people think it's like a network marketing thing. It's not. It's free. You don't never pay anything. If they ask you to pay something, well, they won't. But if you, I don't know, if you find an app where they ask you to pay to fill up gas, then yeah, it's just probably a scam. But yeah, this one, so if you only have referred like one person, or if you referred nobody, if you just use my link, it's gonna say 15 cents off. So this number in the top right, the 562, that's how much I'm profiting, or how much I'm paying. Yeah, it's how much I'm paying. But I've, again, referred more people than the gas actually costs. So I'm gonna get, like, I'm paying negative 562. So I'm basically getting paid $5.62. If that makes sense. It's like when you go and get a refund, usually on the receipt it says like negative. That means they're paying you. But yeah, usually it'll say if it's like 306, it'll be 306 minus 0.15. So you'll pay $291 instead of the 306. So let's see what else like is in the app, right? So when you go to a gas, oh yeah, by the way, this is the process. When you go to a gas station, I'll just try to lay everything out, but basically you go and you click claim, and then it'll ask you to, like, you'll have a certain amount of time to upload your receipt. So don't click claim until you get to the actual gas station, then click claim, then use a receipt. And for me, now that I've already done it a few times, it's actually automatic. So I don't even need to upload my receipt because they go through the transaction history of the gas station. So I just literally click claim and then click like, yes, I'm filling up gas. And then they give you like 20 minutes to, you know, fill up gas or whatever. But yeah, so then we can go in here on the side tabs. This is the invite friends. If you're interested in inviting friends, you'll get 15 cents back. And then you'll also get 1 cent back every time they buy gas in the future. Here I've referred 1,082 people. If you do it, it'll probably look more like 20 people or 50 people or how many people you, you know, have referred. And then if you also click on the tab here, this is the history. So yeah, oh yeah, this is good to know, to show as well. So the first time I did it, I got $474 in cash back. And then the same day I did it, but I was kind of like, I don't really know. Like that's just the normal. I didn't have any discounts, I didn't have any referral discounts. Those were just the normal ones, $1.21 and then $2. So yeah, and then I did it last month. I got $1,226. So that was a bigger one. As you can see, I've earned back $2,082. But I did also pay like 200 bucks in gas, so it's more like 1,800 bucks, which is pretty good. And then another one of my favorite things about this is that I don't think you need to pay taxes on it. And don't quote me on that, I'm not a CPA, but I did send them a message. And let's just show this here. It's not really income because it's like points, you know what I mean? So, okay, wait. Maybe it was on another platform. I don't know. But yeah, and then also you can see here what you can redeem your gift cards for or your money for. Oh yeah, I could just try. I'll just do it right now. I'll show you the cash out process. So, so I have 20 bucks, 52 cents. Yeah, let's show it. So I can get AMC theaters. Theaters aren't even open, so I don't know what they're thinking about with that one. They should have probably got rid of that one. Amazon. iTunes, Applebee's, blah, blah, blah. I'm assuming they have partnerships with these companies, so like they probably get gift cards cheaper. Nike, they have some really good ones, but then here at the bottom, PayPal or mail a check. I hate going to the bank. I mean, I have the thing in my app where I can just take a picture of the check, but that takes like 3-4 days. PayPal right now, guys, little hack, they waived the instant transfer fees because of coronavirus. So I do PayPal and then I literally get the money like within minutes into my actual bank account for free. Usually you have to pay, and I never pay those fees. I would just wait the 3 days or whatever, 3 to 5 days, because I'm never gonna pay a transfer fee. Screw that. Even if it's 50 cents, screw that. I can wait. But anyways, they waive the transfer fee. So PayPal, I'm just gonna do it right now. Select your PayPal address. I actually have a different PayPal. I want to do it to, that's weird. I want to do it to at gmail.com, or no, at yahoo.com, sorry. So if any of you guys want to send me money, this is my PayPal. Yeah, so let's do that. DylanHemrick at yahoo.com. Okay. So I got the money's coming your way. Please confirm your account. Confirm account information. Okay, so I confirmed it at yahoo.com. Yeah, that's it. So cash out. Score, your PayPal cash out was sent to dylanhamrick@yahoo.com. Be sure your account is verified with PayPal, and you receive the funds within 12 to 24 hours. You know what? Let me just go into my PayPal just so I can show you that it is legit and I have received the money into my account. Just because I know a lot of people, you know, are like hesitant, and I would be too if I was watching some random dude talk about some app. But guys, this is like not a joke. Like, this app is absolutely like, should not be something to sleep on. Oh wait, oops, I think that's my password. No. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if I can show you guys my activity. Yeah, here we go. Upside services. So this was the big one, 1,243 bucks. That was in the one in May. I've gotten like some $10 ones, whatever, 17, 15. I'll get another $20 one. So I do it, yeah, as you can see, every 10 days I get about 20 bucks or so, 15 bucks. But the big ones is when you actually fill up gas. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot, guys. The way I hack it, which if you don't refer enough people, then this isn't gonna work for you, but if you have where you're getting more money back than the gas actually costs, like let me show you this really quick. You can fill up to 50 gallons. This is how I get all the money back. Because I don't fill up, I fill up, and I know it's weird, but like I actually fill up random people's gas. I think I might be able to show up a picture of me doing it. We actually did make a video called filling up people's gas tanks. But basically the way it works is like you can fill up to 50 gallons, and if you're making more, if you're getting more cash back than the gas actually costs, it's just profit, right? Yes, you're gonna have to pay a little bit more in gas, but you're gonna get more cash back than the gas actually costs. So it doesn't make sense to not do the full 50 gallons. So what I usually end up doing, well, the first time, I've only done it twice, but the first time we filled up, like we made a video and we're like, hey, who wants free gas? And we didn't tell the clerks about it, so we were kind of like being a little sus about it. And then the last time, I actually went up and talked to the clerk and I was like, hey, can I buy 50 gallons of gas? And then she was like, or the guy was like, yeah, definitely. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna fill up some random people's gas. So I filled up a guy's gas, like a big truck, which he usually takes like 91, but we were doing 87. And then I filled up another dude's gas tank. Oh, and then I also filled up the gas clerk's gas tank plus another canister that he had. And then I filled up one more dude's gas. It was like only $5 more. And then I also filled up my own at the beginning. So we basically just exhausted 50 gallons of gas. And he was really cool about it. But just a side note, you can't use the prepaid receipts because it doesn't show what type of gas it is, and you could also get it refunded. Like, so basically what I did is I prepaid for 50 gallons, but if I didn't use the full 50 gallons, it would just be refunded automatically, and then to however much gas you actually do fill up. So what I did was I prepaid the 50 gallons. Then I made sure to use all 50 gallons. I think I used like 49.9 or something, because that's all I was able to prepay. I don't know, whatever. So you fill up that, and then after that, I got another receipt that showed because you need the final receipt. The prepaid receipt isn't enough. You need the final receipt that shows like the correct data that shows the gas type, how much it costs per gallon. Because the prepaid one, you could, fill up diesel 87, 89, 91, whatever. It doesn't have enough data on it. You need the last receipt. But since I already done it, my card was saved in their app. So what they do is they scan all the transactions from that gas station and then pull it out, match it up with the time that you clocked in or whatever you claimed it. That's how I got it. I'm pretty sure that's everything. I know you can also get discounts on groceries too. I don't do that. I literally just do the you know, I usually just do the gas, but you can also, you know, play around with the groceries too. Yeah, I'm not really sure how the grocery thing works, but anyways, that's it for today's video. Sorry this is really long. I just want to get this video up. It's basically, if my buddy asked me how the app works, this is what I would show him, and I think I explained everything and all my little hacks that I do to make good money on it. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Have a great day. I will talk to y'all soon. Make sure to use my link if you do decide to sign up and code. So yeah guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye.